morning from the train station, we are taking a day trip to Florence, taking the train from Lucca. It should be about an hour and an hour 15 into Florence. Immediately upon getting to Florence, our first destination is the very famous Piazza del Duomo, housing the world-famous Cathedral of Santa Maria del Fiore. One of my Florence bucket list items was trying the very viral, very famous affogato at Vivioli. This spot is known for freezing their coffee mugs before they put the gelato in, so that when the espresso goes in, it doesn't immediately melt the gelato. In November, there was a very short line of a couple of people inside, but we have heard that the lines get really crazy here. One of the main squares, you can find many famous attractions here, like the Palazzo and a copy of Michelangelo's David. Our next food stop was Pino's, a small family-owned shop famous for serving up Tuscan flavor. We had seen the spot on Topjaw and needed to try it for ourselves. And now we are going to the cinema and bookstore kind of combo. There's also an attached cafe. The second floor had cinema-style seating, and there were people enjoying the film and many people studying as well. You could easily spend hours here. Ponte Vecchio is a famous medieval covered bridge, which is now lined with jewelry and souvenir shops. It was the only bridge in Florence that was not destroyed during World War II. This was another one of those Florence bucket list items, to order a glass of wine from a wine window.